Moto here. I'm here with Chirp Outdoors and JF Moto. I'm here on my Banshee. We're going to be building a motocross track, four-wheeler track, whatever you want to call it. We already came here and mowed it yesterday. Wow, that's quite the trailer. Alright, so we'll go back there now. I don't know what they're doing. Okay, so it starts right here. Alright, it starts right here and then we go down the track quick. The first time around here, so we're just kind of checking it out. Wow, those pipes are hot. It's gonna get tilled and everything like that, so this is just the beginning. Then we're back to here again. The starting line's gonna be right there, and probably finish line too. Alright guys, it's been working for a long time. We ate and everything. It's like 6:30ish now. We're about to head out, but I'm gonna show you guys the progress we got done and what we did. Now let's go for one little rip around the track. Bumpy right here, so let's watch Jimmy Casey's. Thanks to his grandma here, we're getting to use this property. But yeah, so this is the first thing here. We're gonna build this into a jump you can actually clear right here. So this will be a nice double. And then we're gonna come around there, probably have a jump on some of the straight stretches, whoops, berms, stuff like that. So thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one. Subscribe to me, Chirp Outdoors, and JF Moto. See you guys later.
It's a whole lot of ways I could get my cash up. Nigga, you ain't got no backup, you should back up. All the hoes say I'm handsome, I got my bands up. I got bands, now my